Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to paint a cat illustration on a wooden block, and I'm sure that we all are going to enjoy the process. So yeah, let's begin. To paint this illustration, we are going to need a wooden block, pencil, acrylic paint of your choice, plate to mix colors, paint brushes, and a cloth to wipe your brushes. Usually I begin with making few thumbnails of an illustration to finalize composition and pose of the character. I would recommend to not to skip this part. After finalizing the illustration from the thumbnail, we are going to make the same illustration on our wooden block. I am going to use acrylic color for the illustration. Thing you need to know about acrylic colors that they dry really quickly. So try to use colors in batches. I'm adding a base tone for our cat. Trying to give a light outline to differentiate her body parts. Starting with the face, and I'm going to paint my cat the way she looks in a reference picture. You can be a little bit creative here and make your own cat, maybe with a black patches or a brown. Adding a clean dark border wherever the area is smudged. To begin with background, I'm going to go ahead with yellow as my base color. You can choose any color you wish, but make sure it is light for the base. I'm going to give her a botanical background, so let's start with some basic leaves. You may use as many shades of green. I have added a bit of blue on some leaves. We are going to repeat the same process as above to finish the bottom part of the painting. There is some empty area which I am going to fill with the plain green. Following that, I am going to add a wooden frame to give it a nice finished look. The middle portion is dried now. We will paint some blue color leaves to make it look really interesting. Some pink delicate flowers. And a tinge of gold on the black area we done, just a little bit, not too much. Our background was looking a bit empty, so I filled it with the green dots. And with the last out, our painting is done. I hope you enjoyed the process with me. And if you paint it and post it on Instagram, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see all of your paintings. To make our cat feel happy, you can always subscribe to our channel.